Hi everybody, welcome to Canadian Immigration Channel. During the last month, well maybe month and a half, due to the economic conditions in certain countries, more and more we receive the same question: will I be asked for the proof of funds one more time, given the fact that my currency in my local home country has significantly depreciated versus Canadian dollar? As an example, it could be Brazilian reals, it could be Russian rubles, it could be Indian rupee, and a couple of other currencies throughout the world has depreciated significantly for the last several weeks. So what will happen next? What would, I'm not trying in this video to predict anything related to economy. What I'm talking about, what will happen with my immigration. So say you have demonstrated that you got, if you're immigrating by yourself, something close to 12,500 Canadian dollars. That is the minimum amount of money required. Now your funds were in, for example, Indian rupees. Now Indian rupee has depreciated significantly, and what will happen now, say if you're showing your settlement funds, they would be something close to 11,000, maybe 10,000 Canadian dollars. And by the way, I'm popping these numbers out of the blue. I have nothing to do with the currency value as of now. Now, you might have and probably would have been requested to demonstrate another proof of your funds at the stage when your passport request is sent to you. So you would be asked to send your maybe updated pictures, maybe updated information about yourself and your children, such as height, eyes color, and you would be required and requested to submit your updated proof of funds. Another chance is that when you're entering Canada, and this chance is quite high, that you would be asked for this proof of funds again. So when you're entering Canada, right at the port of entry, you might be requested to demonstrate that you got these funds. So fresh bank statement, or fresh statement from the credit card which you're using, or debit card preferably, of course, or cash or travel checks. Anything would be requested for you right at the airport to demonstrate. Again, there is a high chance that officer might be skipping this for some reason, but there is a very solid chance that he or she might not. Therefore, be very alert. If you got any issues with those currencies, make sure that you have those money in some sort of a solid currency, right? US dollars, if your country allows you to open it in Canadian dollars, make sure that you open it in Canadian, in euros, in whatever currency which allows you to feel yourself more or less stable in case of Canadian authorities ask you to show those money. Now, if negative thing has happened and right now you do not have enough funds and you're asking your relatives to give something else to you to sort of offset those losses, make sure that you would still get explanation how these chunks of money are deposited into your account. Whether it was a wire transfer from your parents, from your friends, from relatives, you have to have the deed of gift showing that this money are given to you as a gift, and there is no expectation that you would be returning them back. Otherwise, you might be in trouble. Need more explanation, details, etc., etc., stay tuned with us. Feel free to send us an email and ask your questions. Stay tuned and subscribe for the channel.